In this video, let me show you how you can download and install Rocket League on your PC or laptop for free. Hello everyone and welcome back to Solving Factory. So let's start with the video. First, you have to open up your browser on your computer and navigate to rocketleague.com. And after that, go to the top right and select Play Free. Next, choose the platform you're playing on. Now scroll down and select Get on the right. After that, log into your Epic Games account. Select Place Order in the bottom right. After that, open Epic Games Launcher. Now go to the library and search for Rocket League. Next, select Rocket League and click Install. Read and accept the agreement, and the download will start. That's it. Solving Factory at your service. Kindly give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and leave a comment for your suggestions. We'll see you on the next video.